Kung iisang tao lang ang may access sa lahat ng pera at records ng business mo, delikado ka. In accounting, may tinatawag tayong internal control. And in the concept of internal control, napaka-importante ng segregation of duties. Kailangan, iba't ibang tao yung humahawak sa tatlong aspeto: custody, authorization, and record keeping. Ibig sabihin, ibang tao ang may hawak ng pera, iba'y nag-a-approve, at iba rin yung nagre-record. Bakit? Simple lang, para maiwasan ng fraud at para sure na may check and balance. Pero kung manual ang accounting ninyo sa business, madalas hindi yan nangyayari. Lahat may access sa isang records, kahit sino pwede mag-update at lahat pwedeng kumuha sa kaha. Cloud accounting systems like Xero, One Accounting, and Zoho Books will correct that. Pwede kang mag-assign ng roles and permissions pagdating sa accounting records. Halimbawa, si staff pwede lang mag-input ng bills pero approval and payment si owner lang. O kaya, si accountant pwede lang gumawa ng reports pero walang access sa bank records. Control builds trust, and trust builds growth. Kaya huwag mong hayaang isang tao lang ang may hawak ng buong kaban. Let automation guard your business habang ikaw focus sa growth. This is the power of accounting automation. If you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.